You're driving this car? Hey TJ, you know what they sell here? You sell ice cream? Yeah? Can I get some ice cream? TJ's driving his ice cream truck, guys. You like this car? Where's that dude right there? Pull that. Pull it. Oh, are you ringing the bell? Yeah. That's cool.
That's the choo-choo train.
That's a choo-choo train. Do it again. That's cool. Cool. Look at these trains. Look at, they got tanks over here and everything.
Mix and match, buy one for $7, more than one, $6 a piece.
Wow, these are cool. TJ, look at these big trains. You see these trains? You like these trains? Whoa. That's really cool. What about over here? What do they got here?
Oh, see?
These are like military tanks. Oh, TJ, look it.
There's more over
They
here.
got higher education buses over here. Look at these ones. Yeah, they got Batman cars. They got fire trucks.
Yeah.
They got a whole train set here. Look at all these cars. Is that a fire truck?
Yeah.
That's really cool. What else do they got, buddy? Let's see what else they got.
That big one.
That's a big one, right? TJ, what did you end up getting? What is that?
A pickup truck.
That's a nice
It'll
pickup
be
truck. It's a Chevy
cool.
pickup truck. Oh, the doors open up on it? Wow, what's inside? Hey TJ, maybe we could drive it on a street over here. You want to drive it?
Yeah.
Here, drive it over here. See if it drives. Whoa, it goes so fast. TJ, these pumpkins cool? Hey TJ, you like these pumpkins? Yeah? You're strong, TJ.
Yeah. I got big truck. Where you?
TJ, want to play over there?
There you go, boy.
Cool, we got some tickets, buddy. What does it say on there? Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Whoa, Pumpkin Festival, look at this. Whippany Railroad Museum. You got tickets, buddy, show mommy. Thank you. Whoa, you saw that, TJ? That's loud, right? We're gonna go on this train too, right?
Maybe you want to go on one with me?
Yeah, I'm gonna go with you. Do you want them to come with you too? It's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, look at TJ. You see these railroad tracks here? That's where the trains ride on. You see the train? You see the wheels for the train? See how they ride on top of the metal? Isn't that cool? We're gonna check out what's in here. Watch your step though, okay? That's a cool bell. TJ, check this out, buddy. It's like a small railroad track. You wanna go see the train? Go check it out, come on.
The pumpkins on there.
You see, they got pumpkins on it. Wow, look over there, let's see more over there, come on. This is so cool. Where'd it go? Let's see if it comes back this way. Here comes the train. This is really cool, right, buddy?
Yeah. Maybe somebody's driving that.
Maybe somebody's driving, maybe there's a small guy inside.
Maybe somebody's in there.
Maybe somebody's in there?
Yeah.
Maybe like a really small guy's in there? Yeah.
Maybe I want to see. Maybe I want to see the animals inside that.
Maybe there's animals in there, let's go check it out. Check it out, dude. Look at that one. Look at those wheels going really fast down there. Hey, look, they got eyeballs inside. Pumpkins. You saw that?
Yeah.
That's cool, right?
Yeah.
Let's see what's inside of the over here. Look at this tractor, TJ.
Hi.
Say hi, cow.
Hi, cow.
Say moo. Hey, look at this guy. TJ, check this out. Who's this guy? Say hi, buddy. How are you? What are you doing? Are you hanging out? Are you sitting down? This guy's sitting over here too on the job. Hey buddy, you doing any work? What's he doing? Is that a real guy or a fake guy?
A fake guy.
He's a fake guy. Cash register, they got coal. Look at how they got coal over there. You put the coal inside the fire and it gets hot. Isn't that cool, buddy? Wanna give him a pound? Uh-oh. The train's taking off, buddy. Our train is leaving. We gotta hurry, guys. The train is leaving us. Man. Oh no, guys, our train is leaving. No, come back, guys. No. Our train is leaving, buddy. We gotta hurry, jump on. Hurry up, guys. Help us. All right, TJ, we're gonna try to run on. Can you run on? Come on, buddy. Get on the train. Hurry up. We can't make it, guys. TJ, get on the train. Oh, we missed the train, guys. We're gonna go on another one though, right? It's gonna come back. Maybe we can ring the bell on this one. Yeah, it's gonna go all the way around. You wanna go around there? Come on, come over here. Yeah, they're gonna come. Okay, jump down.
Maybe it might hit us.
No, I'll make sure it doesn't hit us. Cool, come over here. And go around this way.
Over there.
Yep.
Let's go.
That's your train riding hat. You know the guys who drive the train wear those. Did you know that? Show mommy.
Wow, buddy, that's cool.
Look at me. Let me see. That's really cool, buddy. Oh boy. What else do they got here? Who's that cool train? TJ, look over here. What's this? Who's this guy over here? You want to clap your hands really loud? Maybe he'll move. Whoa! He won't bite you. He doesn't bite, buddy. Clap your hands really loud and he moves. Whoa! Whoa, look at his fingers. Ow! He almost got me. High five, buddy. Look at these trains, buddy. Whoa! This is so cool, guys. Look it. Whoa! Isn't that cool? This is so cool. Yeah. No, it's not for driving our cars in there. It's only for their cars.
Look
at this train, guys. This is really cool, right? Isn't that cool, TJ? You see everybody on there? Whoa, isn't that cool? All right, TJ, you ready to go on a train? Hey, Adriana, you ready to go on a train? Yeah? You want to go on a train? We can bring the truck on with you, good. I got one in my back pocket.
All right, TJ? No,
He's TJ.
Oh, TJ.
I'm TJ. I'm TS. Good, buddy, go up.
You
Whoa.
have to go to the boat on the other side of the stone building here. It's on the other side to the right.
You got it, buddy? Yep, she got her ticket.
You need a ticket.
Is this where they put the coal in here?
Outside the deck, inside, or like from.
TJ, did they put fire in here maybe?
Yeah.
What do you think? You want to go in there?
No.
Why not?
That's why it's fire.
Oh, it's fire in there. Can you guys see the fire? Whoa.
This is the engine that's gonna pull us. This is the train engine.
And this is the steering wheel you could turn. Yeah.
Look. That right there, look. That's the guy driving the train. See him?
You see the guy up there? That's cool.
All right. We gotta
then-
go back inside now.
Whoa. Hey TJ, where are you, buddy? TJ, say hi. What's going on, dude? What you doing over there? What are you doing over there? I can't hear you. Say hi, guys. You climbing all by yourself? I got you, buddy. You're not going nowhere. Look at this, guys. He's climbing the ladder. Isn't that cool? He's going up all by himself.
TJ,
Good, buddy.
good job, buddy.
You want to go by yourself?
Come with me now.
You want me to come with you?
Yeah.
This is so cool, guys. TJ's all the way up the ladder. He went all the way up to here.
Hi, buddy. Hi, TJ. Are you on the train?
Yeah.
Hey, guys, we're going on a train ride. Woo! Hey, TJ, you want to take a nap with me up here?
No.
No? Are you holding on though?
You wanna come up? Here we go.
All right, guys, we're moving. We're moving, guys.
As you know, my name's Ben. I'll be your conductor on this little ride.
TJ, did you show him your ticket?
No one hanging out the windows.
Are they blowing the horn? Where's that coming from? Is that coming from over there, maybe? That's really loud. That's really loud, guys. We got Uncle Joey over here. We got Uncle Vinny. We got Auntie Chrissy over there. We got Mommy and Adriana.
Look over there. We're going.
Look, TJ, look over there. Look. You see the cars? TJ's hanging out up here. Hey, what's up, TJ? What's going on? You up on top? You having fun up there? Yeah. You like the train ride? Yeah. Say thank you, Uncle Vinny. Say thank you, Uncle Vinny.
You're welcome.
Hey, what's up, TJ? You want to check outside? Come on, give me a hand.
Did you know we have torpedoes on here?
Torpedoes?
Look at that red box up there.
Whoa, fuses and torpedoes. Check it out, buddy. Look what they got over here. They got fuses and torpedoes. I wonder what's in there. Isn't that cool?
Yeah. Maybe.
Ah, check it out. Whoa, we can't touch that though. That's a big fuse. Come on, jump down. Isn't that cool, buddy? Whoa. Isn't this cool, buddy? You see that piece right there? That's what holds the train together. That's called a coupling. Isn't that cool? Look outside over there, look at the cars. Yeah. Yeah. You see it up there? What is that? It's like a water tank. Way up there, I see it. Isn't this cool, buddy? You having fun? Yeah? You see that piece? That's what's holding the train together. You see it?
Yeah, that's why it's trying to come on.
That's right.
Trying to come on.
Alright, here we go. Now we're going fast. You ready?
Now we'll go this way.
We'll go that way now. Yeah. Going back home. TJ, are you saying one, Auntie? Yeah?
TJ,
You like saying one, Auntie?
we get to see boots, TJ?
Guys, this was so much fun riding on this train with you guys and with TJ. We had such a blast. We want to say thank you so much for watching this video. Remember, you are loved, you are important, and you are valuable to us. And everything that we do for you guys and for our family, because we want to spend time together. So please subscribe and share this video with your family and your friends. Like us down below, comment what you thought about this video on our train ride with our Uncle Vinny and Uncle Joey. We love you guys. We're getting back to the station now. It's loud out here, but we love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. We're getting back to the station now. We'll see you guys soon.